So now here I just add another maybe a plane, okay, and scale that in y-axis just a bit. We look at from the top, just a bit. Okay, so now we select everything, E, extrude that, and now press I, extrude that, or let me press Ctrl A and apply that the scale, and now I to set inset face, and E again backward. So it's gonna be a board for writing some, because this one should be maybe a small hotel. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm gonna just press R and X and rotate that 90 degrees and push it here. Maybe make that smaller, push it about here, look at from this side, like so, make that smaller. So yeah, again Shift A, we add another cube and we push it here. Go and hit tab and select everything G and Z. So we're gonna make a really small lake for that. So G, X, push it here, Shift A, G and X, push that one right here. Okay, and we're gonna select that from here actually, and we move those. So we select both and we move those by pressing Shift D, G and Y in this case, about here it should be. So now I want to merge those guys, so by pressing Ctrl and J, and now it's one object. So go tab, select all of these vertex right here and look at from here, G in X, in Z axis. Okay, so that's it. Let me look at from here just a bit. G, make that just a bit bigger and rotate that like so. Actually, we move that as well. When we scale, we need to move that as well. So that's it. So I'm just gonna merge these two guys as well, and here as well. So it will merge by join those, okay? And that's one object by pressing Ctrl and J. So that's it. And even we can select here and Ctrl and J, and that's one object, okay? And we maybe push that like so. So that's it. And here we see a really small hotel. So I just select everything and small hotel, and here we have G and Y maybe, as you can see guys. Okay, so we turn off both, Shift S and cursor to world origin. So that's fine, I think. And